Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete recent tabs on Chrome in Android so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Chrome browser app. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you usually use so your settings are saved correctly. Step 2. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small button with 3 vertical dots. That's the menu button. Tap on it, and it will open up the main settings menu for Chrome. Step 3. From the drop-down list that appears, find the option labeled History. Tap on it. This section shows you all the websites and tabs you've visited recently, so it's where you'll find the tabs you want to delete. Step 4. Once you're in the History section, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Now, you'll see several checkboxes and categories. This is where you decide what you want to delete. Make sure you select Tabs and Mod, and if you also want to remove things like cookies or cached images, you can check those too. This step is important because it tells Chrome exactly what kind of data to clear. Step 5. After that, look for the option that says Time Range. Tap on it and select All Time to make sure all your recent tabs and browsing activity are removed. Finally, hit the button that says Delete Data, and just like that, boom, Chrome will delete your recent tabs on Android. And that's it. You've just learned how to delete recent tabs on Chrome and Android, and your browsing data is now cleaned up. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.